His ticket book in their car.
Oh, you got a 50.
Yeah.
So I'm off to a deputy because we didn't have her seatbelt on correctly. Can't see if she has it on or off. Have what? Do you have your seatbelt on?
It's on. Oh.
Does she have an ID?
No.
No.
Can you roll the window down and then you see driver license, registration, ID, and you too, and insurance, please. It's incorrectly worn. It's got to be over your shoulder. Right?
Not quite.
What's in here is what they're.
I thought it said click it or ticket.
You have your insurance for the vehicle, sir?
You can, but I mean, you do have your seatbelt on. I won't be giving you anything. I have a doctor's note. I won't be giving you anything.
Go ahead, provide me the document.
I don't think so. Where's your office at?
My office?
Yeah.
1 Killingsworth Drive, Felicity, California.
And what's it called?
1 Killingsworth Drive, Felicity, California.
Calexi?
Felicity.
Felicity. Okay.
Population 2.
Population 2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
California, you got to wear the seatbelt over your shoulder as you're driving.
Yeah. I have a doctor's note though
Can you provide me with
from the
document,
judge. Maybe. Go ahead and keep that on
Make
there.
sure that's the new
Go ahead and
card.
keep that on
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And then, ma'am, I need to see your ID as well. Thank you.
Yes, sir. It's good.
Maybe. Let's see here. Here's my. I think it's in the other.
I think it's in the file.
And what's your names?
I'm Officer Hilfiger,
Hilfiger?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
what's your badge number?
20054.
Officer Morquecho, ID 23748.
Morquecho?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I think it's in the file at the house.
Yeah, I think it's in the other purse actually. just changed purses.
Mm-hmm.
Who's your name, ma'am?
Michelle,
Michelle. Can you spell that for me?
Michelle.
What's your address?
That's all you're entitled to.
Crystal, you still live on
All my information's on that ID.
do you still live there?
All my information is on that ID.
We don't answer any other questions.
Yeah. All right, we'll be right back.
Where is it? That piece of paper is in the other truck. Or in the other purse.
Whoa, we'll have to get it out and put it in his purse.
Where did he say the thing was?
Their office?
Yeah.
It's just up the road.
Calexico?
Felicity?
Felicity?
Yeah. Population 2.
I've never even heard of that. I just switched my purse too, and I had that other
Did not mean
one.
to see that.
It's before or after the casino? But yeah, they got the state
There's
patrol
another
office
casino
there.
out here.
Oh, yeah, the Kashan has a nice casino. This is Kashan here too. This is Paradise. That was the Hugh Kashan. And then you got Cocobon's got one.
I'm gonna have to go through that stuff and get that
Letter out.
Yeah, because I do have a notice from the doctor and my judge and the judge.
So did he stop us because you didn't have a belt over your shoulder?
Because he said she didn't. Yeah, he saw her. I don't see how he could have seen her. But you know, yeah, I'll have to get that out of that other purse. I always carry it too.
Got to get my windows tinted.
I'm gonna have to get out and smoke a cigarette.
It's hot out there. Automobile.
Damn, really?
Yeah, I really don't have any.
Did we not? Four of them out there now?
The shoulder runners should also go over your arm, not under or
Should. What exactly does it say about that?
about what the shoulder runners.
Yeah, what does it say about the seatbelt?
At all times. Consider properly restrained. The lower bolt of the belt must cross your hips or upper thighs, and the upper shoulder part of the belt must cross your chest. And after the must, that's when they say wear it properly, you should go over your arm, not under or over. That's where the word should.
So as long as it's across the chest like it is, and across the black belt like it is, the rest of it is a suggestion that should. It should go over your arm and not behind your arm. That's a suggestion.
I don't think that's your chest. I think you're trying to split hairs here, and there's no hairs to be split. Here comes the answer.
No, that's good enough.
Okay, thanks, ma'am. Alright, so today, both of you guys it's not a mission of guilt. By you signing, it's not saying guilt. It's simply saying that you're not better at it.
Okay.
Okay? Yes, yes, ma'am. Here's the phone.
This one's mine?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you can inside the red box.
Inside the box that was signed?
Yeah, that was not signed. I made an error on my end, so I scratched it off.
How's your training going?
Oh, it's going well, sir. Thank you for asking.
Okay, don't be a tyrant though, okay? It looked like it said it should go over the shoulder. Must go over the chest. But it should go over the shoulder, correct? Should. That's alright, because I got that letter. I don't answer questions, really. Who's the officer standing back there? Gutierrez? He's a good driver. It's all in the wording. That's why it's... Yeah. sitting there this whole time without a seatbelt on?